Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Messi and other soccer players have replaced coffee with this drink. The drink isn't new, neither are its benefits. But do you know which one we're talking about? Yerba mate. The Argentine soccer team was involved in a controversy during the World Cup in Qatar. A photo that went viral on social media showed a suitcase full of yerba mate packets. Many then wondered why the Argentines had made this choice. Have you heard about the benefits of this herb? According to a study by the University of Illinois in the United States, yerba mate contains many antioxidants. Yerba mate can provide several health benefits, such as improved athletic performance and a lower risk of heart disease, which often affects soccer players. It also improves the immune system, regulates cholesterol levels, protects against infections, aids in weight loss and the reduction of abdominal fat, helps fight cancer cells, lowers blood sugar levels, and stimulates digestive system function. The herb can be prepared and drunk cold or hot, or combined with natural juices, and even milk, and is reminiscent of green tea in taste. If you're curious, stay tuned, because we'll show you how to prepare it. To prepare your yerba mate tea at home, it's recommended to use 1 tablespoon of the herb per liter of water at a temperature of about 90 degrees Celsius and a brewing time of about 5 minutes. This is enough to elicit a good flavor from the herb without making the drink bitter. You can also make your mate drink using a regular kettle. Just put the mate where you put the coffee powder. You can consume up to 3 cups, 330 milliliters of yerba mate per day for up to 60 days at a time. Consuming yerba mate is apparently safe. However, because it contains caffeine, yerba mate can cause insomnia and sleep disturbances in some cases. Did you enjoy learning more about the benefits of yerba mate? If you already knew about it, tell me about it in the comments. And don't forget to like the video. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.